Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I will share with you how you can prepare neem oil at home very easily with few ingredients that are available at your home only. So let's start with today's video. If you want to get looks very shiny, smooth and good volume of hair, then you should try this neem oil to have very good hair, also to prevent dandruff and other hair problems. So let's start. First of all, you need to take neem leaves. Here I have taken the neem leaves, as you can see, and first step is to wash it in the clean water. So here I am washing the neem leaves in the clean water like this. You need to wash the neem leaves like this in the clean water so that all the dirt will come out from the neem leaves, and after this we will prepare the neem oil. So the first step is to wash it, and the next step is to soak these neem leaves and let it dry. You need to soak it so that the water get out from the leaves very easily. And next step is to grind the neem leaves. So here I have taken the grinded neem leaves. Here you can see, here I have taken the grinded neem leaves. So this is you need to do. The next thing is coconut oil. You need to take warm coconut oil. As you can see here, I have taken the hot coconut oil, and to prepare the neem oil you need to add the grinded leaves and just put it into the coconut oil. Here I am adding all the grinded part into the coconut oil. Now we have to mix it continuously until it will changes its color and get you a thick paste. You need to mix it for at least 3 to 4 minutes like this only in continue mode, but make sure to mix the grinded neem leaves into the hot coconut oil. So like this I am doing it. You need to continuously do like this only. It will give you very good hair growth, as well as also if you are facing dandruff problems and itchy scalp, then also you will get very good and amazing results. Especially this remedy is for all those who are facing hair fall problems, because due to hair fall only the hair growth is not possible. So this neem oil is having antiseptic and antibacterial properties that also get rid of all the hair related problems. So you need to mix it like this. This is how you can prepare the neem oil at home, but make sure to take the fresh neem leaves and wash it properly and then grind it. You can grind it with the help of grinder or mixer, whatever you want, or with the help of your hands also. So now you can see the coconut oil is getting thicky and it has been changed into greenish color, because the neem will absorb all the coconut oil into it. Just do it, just mix it properly like this, continue mode. So like this. Now as you can see, our neem oil has prepared. So you need to take a jar or a clean bowl in which you can store this neem oil. So now the next step is to strain the mixture in any clean jar, or you can take any container, whatever you want, to keep this store your neem oil. So just I am transferring it into a jar. Just strain it like this so that all the oil will get easily strained out in this with the help of this strainer. As you can see, the neem leaves is only left here, and I have taken it so this is your neem oil that is absolutely ready. So now you can close this with the help of a lid or with the help of anything in a tight container. You need to use it a tight container. Now store it for at least 4 days, and after 4 days you can use this neem oil on your hairs. So after 4 days this oil is absolutely perfectly able to be get used. So you can use it after 4 days to get good shiny and good hair growth. So I hope friends you like this remedy. Do share your reviews and suggestions. Please like, share, subscribe and comment for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.